In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing DLL files on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're getting any kind of error message where it says you're missing a DLL file, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go in, right click on this Windows icon, and click on Terminal in brackets Admin. Now from this window, you need to go and type in the following command: DISM /online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. And I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come in, copy and paste this. Now once you've typed in this command, you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this goes and scans your computer. So you'll just need to wait for this to get to 100%. Now once it's finished, you then need to go and type in this command as well: sfc/scan now, and then press enter. And then once again, you'll just need to wait while this goes and scans your computer. And once you've entered both of these commands, you can go and close out of this window and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up an internet browser, type in DirectX download and press enter. And then you'll need to click on this top website, which is Microsoft.com, and click on the download button. You can then click on this setup file, and then just go through the steps to install DirectX. So I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Uncheck the box next to install the Bing bar and click on next. And then just wait a few moments. Now, if it's not working, there's one final solution. Open back up an internet browser and head over to the website DLL-files.com. Once you're on this website, you need to go and search for the file that you're missing. So for me, I'm missing this file, which is vcruntime140.dll, so I need to go and click on this. Once you have the file that you're missing, you'll need to scroll down, and then you'll need to go and download either the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. Now for most people, it's going to be the 64-bit version, so I'm going to click on this download link. You'll then just need to wait while this downloads to your computer. And once it's finished downloading, go and close out of this window. You can then open up your File Explorer, click on your Downloads folder, go and right click on the zip file, click on Extract All, and then just click on Extract. And as you can see, here's the DLL file. So now go and open up another File Explorer on your computer and head over to this PC. Double click on your C drive, click on View, click on Show, and make sure Hidden Items is selected. You can then click on Windows, scroll down this page, and double click on System32. You'll then just need to find your DLL file and right click on this, click on copy, and then you'll need to go and paste it into this System32 folder. Once you've done this, come back over to the previous window, scroll down and click on syswow64, and you'll also need to go and paste the DLL file inside of here as well. Once you've done this, you can go and restart your computer, and that should have now solved the missing DLL error.